This is the last set of study pages before we get into the assignments in the course. Why? Because I want you to get some information in your head before you get started in writing the course. And some of them mean undoing some things that you might have thought were true in the past. Number one, I don't know anything. I was not born knowing who the President of the United States is. I'm not even sure about that today, but still, I was not born with information. In order to get information for a paper or to express, I need sources for that. Where did that information originate? And so, whenever I want to research a topic, let me give you two ideas. First, if I write a paper and I go, everyone needs air to breathe. Thank you. No one would have known that had you not told us. That's a sophomoric statement, isn't it? It doesn't need to be there. However, let's say I write the sentence, in order for a person to breathe, there must be a combination of elements, including this, and this, and if these elements come together, then a person can breathe without these elements. You see, now you're getting into some details that do require research. And I would show in the essay where that research originated. Otherwise, I'm making up stuff. And it looks really smart in an essay whenever I add a citation or an indication in the essay of where that information originated. That's why each page in this little section is important for you to study. Some short, some long, but I want you to study all of it. There's also a page in here in this little section on word count. This is an ongoing situation, and I'm hoping that it won't be a situation here. The district requires that you write a certain number of words in order to earn credit for this course. How are we going to prove that you wrote that many words? Well, everything that you submit to me is going to have a word count on it, and that goes towards your words that you need to write. It's simply a way of protecting you against anybody ever coming against this grade. So, someone might say later, it has happened one time many years ago, we question the grade that this student received in this English course. And we don't think that the student performed up to the requirements that are from the state for the number of words that are required to write. You and I would be able to say, no, 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 no. We have all of that student's work, and as you can see at the top of the page, each piece of work has the number of words written, and those add up to far beyond what you required. And I promise, if you keep up with me in the course, you will hit that mark and then some. So it's a way of protecting you and giving you credit. So please just have that in your mind to remember to add a word count. And then at the end of this little short module is a little scavenger hunt quiz, and that will make sure that you and I both know that you have understood the course requirements and you have understood these initial documents that I need for you to study. Again, there's no fluff in there. It's all important information. And then we can move on to the next section, right? Okay, moving on. Thanks for being good sports about this and for reading everything. I really do appreciate it. Okay, moving on.